Hi guys, so today we are talking about nails. Oh my god, my long claws extensions are back because I saw this technique everywhere and I wanted to test it out for myself just to know what I would think about it. It is the Gel X nails, which is instead of using glue, you are using your base coat gel. So I was like, I need to try this out. So I went on to the pharmacy, bought some extensions. I already had all of my gels. I even have this beautiful little blue that I'm obsessed with, and I wanted to go through the process of how long it took, if it feels weird, if it was difficult. So let's get into it. So first, obviously I already had long nails. I had to cut them off. Pretty sad, but it's okay. So I prepped my nails as usual. So I made sure to put acetone on my natural nails to make sure that everything was off. If I had glue residue, if I had any type of residue, it was gone. Then I had this little file that I found at the dollar store. I don't know, I thought it was so cute, so I decided to take it. And it's just so easier to buff your nails with these electric buffers. So I feel like I might buy one off Amazon. So if you have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments down below. I would love to know. So I buffed my nails, and then I buffed a little bit my cuticles to, push them back as they do in the nail salon. I felt so much like a professional, honestly, so cute. That's it. And then I looked at tutorials to make sure that I was doing the right thing. Some people were saying to put a base coat first before doing the thing, so that's what I did. I put my base coat from Madame Glam on my nails, and then I put the light on, 30 seconds to a minute. And then after that, I take the nail, I put a gel on at the interior of the nail, then I put the gel on my own nail, or vice versa, whatever is more comfortable to you. And then I start the lamp, and then I put it under the lamp. So the thing is, I don't have a singular, one finger UV lamp. So that was kind of hard to try to push it under and then place it properly. It was really, really hard. And the amount of gel that you have to put on your finger and on the nail is very experimental. You have to try different things so it doesn't go everywhere. And it just, sometimes I put not enough, sometimes I put too much. And if you put too much, it goes everywhere around. And I have a little brush on the side trying to remove all of the excess. And if I don't have enough, it creates bubbles under. And then the bubbles, you can't get rid of it. And then there's a chance that water's gonna get in there. There's chances of things getting in there, which I don't want that to happen, obviously. I felt like this process was a little bit difficult to work with. I feel like the more you do it, the easier it becomes, especially with, if you're doing it with your dominant hand. If you're doing it with the other hand, I tried to do it with the other hand, and let me tell you guys, it was not an easy process. I have a couple fingers that have bubbles everywhere. It was really hard to get under there. So definitely, if you want to do that technique, you need a singular lamp thing, because you're gonna have a really, really hard time to do it. I had to put my lamp on the side like this, and then press it, and then go like this, trying to get under and get it to work. After putting everything there, obviously I decided to buff the top of my nails. Okay, so I buffed everything. I buffed the sides, the top, everything. And I wanted to be kind of rough on my nails to see if anything was gonna move. And nothing moved. And even my Marcam little buffer was getting cuts from my nail on it. So that's a good thing. At least the buffer is not trying to remove my nails. My nails is trying to destroy the buffer. So it's a great thing for that. I decided to, go with my Beetle's nail polish. I discovered these on Amazon. So this is pretty nice. So I went on Beetle's. I choose the color, I think 116, A116. I'm not too sure, it's gonna be there, but anyways. And then I applied 2 coats of the color, because definitely 1 coat is not enough. And for these to last really, really long, you really have to be careful with the amount that you put all around, because if it touches your cuticles, there is a chance for lifting. There's a chance that it's not gonna last long. So it is a tricky process, and that's why you always have a little brush on the sides to wipe everything before you put your nails, under the UV lamp. And if you're more comfortable, just do 1 nail at a time. It's just gonna take you a long time. So after doing one hand, putting the top coat, and then putting the alcohol spray, wiping everything off. So I did both hands, and it took me around, I would say 3 hours to do everything myself, because I really wanted them to be extra precise. All around. So obviously this technique is gonna cost you not a lot of money, but it will cost you a lot of time. So if you like doing your nails, if you want to do straight on your nails and not nail extensions, it's going to take you more time, because with the nail extensions, you know, I did both. I did my own nail extensions, and now this is another technique, Gel X nails. I feel like the extension is faster because you put them on the little trays and then you just like like this and you put them under the lamp. This is easy peasy. You know, you go a little bit over on the side. It doesn't matter because it doesn't touch anything. So that's a little bit easier to do. And the thing is though, you're gonna have to use glue on your nails and like glue it on. The other thing that I noticed with this technique, the Gel X nails, is if you're touching too much your cuticles and the gel might go under, you know, and if you're sensitive to that type of gel, it might irritate around, you know. Me, I'm okay with it. You know, look, it's not moving whatsoever. It's not irritated, as you can see. Everything looks nice. But again, it took me 3 whole hours and I was like, oh, I'm going to record a bunch of videos. Yeah, I spent 3 hours doing these nails, which I'm pretty proud of, guys. Like these nails are kind of like everything right now. They took me a long time. They took me a really long time, a very long time, but it's okay. I'm proud of them and hopefully they will last long. I don't know if they're gonna last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So do I like this technique? I feel like it's a really great technique. It is very messy, especially if you don't have a lot of experience doing it. It's gonna be a lot of trial and errors, especially on your non-dominant hand. Though you have to really prep your nails properly for them to be like fully on. You have to follow the process and you have to take the time. And obviously it's not as easy as press-ons. These are different. I like it. I mean, I'm definitely gonna do it again. It looks more like a salon type of nails than the press-on nails. Obviously, like it looks like it's part of my nails. It's nice. I like it. I think it's pretty nice. So tell me down below if you haven't tried this technique before. Do you just strictly do press-on nails? Do you only go to the salon? Or you like to like experiment with different techniques that you find online? I like to experiment with techniques that I find online. So tell me down below. I would love to know. And if you like this video, make sure to like, comment down below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for some content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and a lot more. So thank you so much guys for watching. I love you guys so much and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye guys.